Hi everyone! I wanted to show you this IKEA hack. I failed to flip this IKEA MALM chest of drawers about a year ago. I've linked the video above so you can see my woeful attempt. And it's been storing some of my work stuff in an old garage since then, and then last night I left it out in a thunderstorm, which wasn't great. So yeah, it's a mess. If any of you try this at home, I'm sure you'll be working with a less sad looking starting product and won't need to do half of the prep that I do, but here it is just for the entertainment value. So I removed the half dowels that I had mismeasured for the drawer fronts and hacked out with a circular saw. It's all in the video. Then I let everything dry in a very well ventilated room despite nature's best efforts. And I started repairing the back, which actually went a lot better than I expected it to. Then I used an ultra-fine wood filler on any surface scuffs and a broken corner. And after that I mixed up some big boy body filler to repair the areas of veneer that got damaged when I removed the stupid dowels. Okay, I've just opened this up. I bought these little miter cutters off Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. Come with 2 blades, and I think you can basically just use them to cut, well, straight or angles. Right, so I still wanted to add some detail to the drawer fronts, so I used my new toy to cut these more delicate dowels down to size, and I attached them with some clear wood glue. Yeah, I really like that thing. Anyway, on to the paint. I'm using my favourite white from the Dixie Belle silk range, which is called Saltwater. The silk range is also anti-mold and anti-mildew, which is, I feel, probably helpful after it's dark and thundery night outside. I'm just using a bit of duct tape here to cover and secure my repairs to the back, and then I can paint over it. Okay, we're ready for the best bit. This is a furniture transfer from ReDesign with Prima. I'll link it below with everything else. There are 2 sheets of these beautiful insects, and it comes with instructions and a little applicator tool. It's honestly so easy. I'm just starting by laying them out and cutting out various pieces so I can move them around and kind of create my own design to fit the front of the chest. And then once they're all positioned where I want them, I can peel the backing papers off and start applying. Now just a couple of touch-ups, and then I'm going to use Polyvine Wax Effect varnish to seal the transfer. I actually use this varnish a lot because it's pretty hard wearing, but it's a really nice matte finish. Anyway, we're finished, and this was the absolute monstrosity that we started with. And this is the now successfully, in my opinion, hacked IKEA MALM chest of drawers. This was honestly so fun to do. I'm very happy to have finally got round to fixing last year's failed effort. And I really do think this transfer is so beautiful, and the little delicate dowels do make a huge difference. It's a really easy way to make any malm chest into a beautiful piece for like a girl's bedroom. Having said that, I really think my grandma would like this project. She says she likes them all, but still, because she loves bugs, so I'll dedicate this one to her. Thank you all so much for watching, and tell me what you think in the comments, and if you've got a malm chest that you might try it with. Don't forget to hit like if you did, and I'll be back very soon competing in the Fall Ugly Duckling Challenge, so subscribe to make sure you don't miss that.